guys, Alpazel here. In this video we will play guessing animal names. Let's get started. Who am I? I am a livestock animal. My voice bleated. I was kept to use my milk and meat. Guess who I am? Yes, that's right. I am a goat. Who am I? I'm very fast. A long time ago, people would use me to get around. Guess who I am? Yes. I am a horse. Who am I? I am a mommy chicken. I am very helpful in your life. I give you yummy eggs and chicken legs. Guess who am I? Smart. I am a hen. Who am I? I'm a baby chicken. I was born from an egg. I have yellow fluffy hair. Guess who I am? Yada. I am a chick. Who am I? I am a cute pet. My voice sounded meow. I have fluffy hair, and people like to pet me. Guess who I am? Yippee! I am a cat. Who am I? I mostly live on the farm. My voice sounds moo. I give you milk that is very good for bones and meat that is rich in nutrients. Guess who I am? I am a cow. Who am I? I'm a pink farm animal. My voice sounded owing. I was kept for meat. Guess who I am? Yep. I am a pig. Who am I? I am fluffy and white. My voice bleated. I give you meat and wool. Guess who I am? Awesome! I'm a sheep. Who am I? My body size is small. I like playing chase with cats in the house. My favorite food is cheese. Guess who I am? Yes, that's right, I'm a mouse. Who am I? I am a pet who is often used as a guard. My voice is barking, woof woof. I really like bones. Guess who I am? Smart. I am a dog. The game of guessing animal names is over. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.